Thus, human benevolence may prove little better for these rhinos than past human maltreatment. So, he ends it with something very pessimistic, that human benevolence may prove little better. Little better means hardly any chance, zero chances better for the rhinoceros. So he is very pessimistic and knows that nothing much is going to happen. So with that understanding, let's try and solve the questions. Okay, let's try to solve this one. Question number one: which of the following can be inferred from the passage? Okay, inferred means after reading the passage, I have to deduce a conclusion, and there is or rather draw an inference from it. So which of the following can be inferred from the passage? Now let's play our smart tricks and eliminate. Option A: Javan rhinos are one of the most endangered animals, most superlative, out. More is known about the genetics of the Javan rhinos than is known about the mating patterns. Let's keep it. Option C: hunters killed more Javan rhinos in Vietnam than in Indonesia. Mathematical answer. We will choose it only when we know for sure it's given in the passage. If not given, out. Most animal instinctions are the result of human actions. Out. Superlative. Genetic diversity is the most important factor for survival of the species. Superlative. Out. Most. Gone. Most gone. B is the answer. If I get into the nitty-gritties, etc., we'll have to go back and forth the passage. But look, most, more, most, out, out, out. More is known about the genetics of the Javan rhinos than their mating patterns. B is the answer. Let's see. Let's round it up. Here I have stated can't be true. So now coming to the passage, very little is known about the life of the Javan rhino. Scientists have been able to extract information on the species DNA from gathered dung. Very little information about the female Javan rhinos has been gained. So all these state only one thing: more is known about their genetics than about their mating patterns. Mating patterns you need to know. You need to visually see the animals to understand their mating patterns. So if I look at this passage, then think about it, then definitely I can draw this conclusion. B is the correct answer. But I will rather play smart and eliminate options. Deduce B is the correct answer. Okay, let's go to the next one. Question number 2. For what purpose does the author include the last sentence in the passage? Let's go to the last sentence and see what's there in the last sentence. Thus, human benevolence may prove little better for these rhinos than past human maltreatment. Okay, now let's go to the question. What is the purpose? For what purpose does the author include the last sentence? He could have gone without it also. See, there is a word like little, may prove little, or so let's understand this. What is little? See, there are two words, few and little. Few means something that is countable. This is non-countable. You must have come across two variations of little. Little, a little, Few, a few. Little means hardly any. Few means again hardly any or nothing, we can say. A little means not much, some, not much. A few means again some, not much in number. Okay. So saying I'm a little late means I am on time. Okay. Fine. Okay. And having understood that, let's delve into the question. Why the author has said the last word? Let's think about it. The passage. The author is very, very pessimistic. So the passage is not neutral. Okay. So the words like demonstrate, to reinforce, to illustrate can be eliminated because they say it's a neutral passage. Out, out. Fair. To establish that farmers and hunters are no longer killing rhinos, we do not know. Out of scope or not given. We are left with B. To support the contention that Javan rhino species may not be able to recover from its current state.